Epalagunok ongi etorri Lazo Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri berriz Red Dead Redemption honetara. Historia printzipala, hau da Arthur Morganena bukatu ostean, hemen jarraitzen dugu John Marstonekin, izatez jokoa ez dugulako bukatu osorik, falta zaigu epilogoaren bigarren zati eta mezu puta hau. Eta falta zaigu hau jokoa behar bezala bukatzeko. Eta noizbait bukatuko dugu eta orain behartzen gaitu joatera Sadie Adleren kontra, Sadie Adleren gana joango gara ez kontra. Beraz, joango gara aurrera trostan galoban, gure rantzotik haratago. Hilerri bat. Etxe txiki bat, paisaia oraindik ere ikaragarria da hau. Bale, gaina bida zerratu nahi, hau pani. Oso ondo. Jarraitu bidea, ez joan kontrara. No zer dago, a ver, mapa. Bueno, horra horrengoz ez gara joango. Oraindik ulertu ez dudana da zer den modo libre hori. Suposatzen da behin jokoa guztiz gaindituta jakiten dela hori, baina ez nago oso ziur izango den aukeratzezu pertsonai bat, agian edo Arthur edo John, eta zure gauzak egitea online modu esango litzateken. Baina goazen aurrera. Itxaron. Bueno, lagun da aurretik.
Please, 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 please break the lock. I am begging you, please break me free. Let me go, let me go.
Ai, lasai.
I can't believe you've done this to me. Oh, thank you.
Hala.
Maybe I know something you find interesting. My way of saying thanks. I fell a Why are you toying with me like this?
Hala. Más en Joe Marston. John es Joe. A ver. Ez nion tiro egingo, baina nahi gabe apuntatu dut. Eskerrak ez dudara tiro egin momentu horretan. Hala, guazen. Hala, beste bai bat, edo agian ez. Bali, baiaren ondotik goaz. Uste duzun alde hau jokoaren hasieran agertzen zela. Elurrezko zonaldean, baina agian okertuta nabil. Benetan erru naiz berriro. Hala, bizkanaka, bizkanaka. Hor Bambi asko ditugu. Ira, zubi bat, guazen xarkatzera. Ezkerretara. Hori da. Berdin da. Egunen baten agian mendekatuko gara, baina gaur ez da egun hori izango.
Got some kind of rock in your boot? Hey, mister. Partner?
Guazen bera, Jon.
There's the sun, all right.
Sure beats the rain.
Giddy up.
Hello.
I thought I told you to leave it,
And
Bubba.
I thought to myself who this little girl thinks she telling anything to.
Enjoy your drink in peace. I ain't got no business with you right now.
What that mean?
For the last time, leave me alone.
Or what?
Get the hell out of here before she kills us all.
You!
Get out of here.
John Marston.
It is good to see you.
I thought I heard a rumor you was alive. Jim Milton, that you?
Guess I didn't do a real good job of hiding my identity. We didn't hear nothing about you.
You killed a feller up by Roanoke?
Sure did.
I thought that sounded like you and Abigail and Jack.
She's fine.
She was always so kind to me.
I'm looking to buy some property. Beecher's Hope, west of Blackwater. I'm kind of a farmer now. And you?
Oh, you know how it is. Bounties mostly, and some other stuff. Good and bad. Hey, you any interest in bounties?
I've gone straight. Sort of.
Oh, it's legal. Usually.
Then, maybe.
Come on then.
What? Where are we headed?
Strawberry. Got on the run from New York. Good price for him.
What'd he do?
Rob a bank?
With a gun?
No, with a pen. He's an accountant, I think.
Sounds easy.
Come on, we got a bit of a ride.
I know. Your telegram. You said you had something to discuss. I didn't think we'd be chasing down an outlaw.
There's something else.
What?
Micah.
Micah?
I think so. I heard of someone sounded like him about a year back.
Okay.
We always said if we found him,
I know what we said we'd do. That ain't changed.
I didn't think I'd see any of you again after you left for the Yukon.
Now we came back. Didn't strike it rich, as you can see.
But you're a rancher now.
I got Uncle with me. We'll be okay.
Uncle? Well, getting scalped by that gang out there might be preferable than living with him.
Sometimes I think the same.
What's it to be?
See what you can find. Like I said, feller's name is Nathan Kirk. Banker. Bald. 45.
Okay.
You head up that way. I'll meet you in a bit.
Say, I mean to meet my friend in town, but I don't know where he's staying. Bald New Yorker, Nathan Kirk. You know where he is?
Afraid I don't know.
Saldiaren caca.
You seen a bald New Yorker, name of Nathan Kirk, about 45?
No, sir. We get plenty of New Yorkers here. It's resort town, you see. The Adirondacks of the West, the mayor calls it. But I can't remember any of the bastards.
Okay.
Ask in the general store or the post office. They tend to know who's in residence for the season, as we say.
Season. Good lord. Excuse me, friend. I'm looking for a Nathan Kirk, fella from New York. Got any mail for him?
Kirk? Kirk? No, not so as I would remember. Curly, I think. She's a woman. Ask in the Welcome Center. Most tourists check in there.
Okay, thank you.
There you are. He's staying in the Welcome Center.
What now?
Ah, vale.
Easy enough. You seen a fella? Fella from New York? Bald guy?
Yeah. A few New Yorkers come here in search of the West.
This one's a wanted man. I work for the government. Sort of. His name's Nathan Kirk.
Mr. Kirk. But he's so charming.
Is he staying here?
He's, up in room 3.
I'm gonna go pay him a visit. It's government business.
How exciting.
No la voy a seguro. No me va a joder. Vale, sienta.
you in there?
Who is it?
It's just a friend. Well, stop. Hey, that's Nathan Kirk.
Are you
That's
bumming?
Nathan Kirk. Oh, got him?
Oh, shut up. Come on, jump on. We gotta get after him. Remember, we want him alive, though.
I know.
Yeah. Slow it down. He went right. Stay on him. I'll catch up with you.
Where are you going? Shit. You're back.
Almost had him. Come on.
Look out. Okay, okay.
He went this way.
Hold it right there, mister.
Trigger happy bastard.
Ah, claro, les engañas en un Will. Conforme. Bah, hau kaka bat da.
Mr. Kirk! Mr. Kirk, you in there?
Venga.
Just a friend. Just a friend, come on. Stop. Hey, that's Nathan Kirk. Oh,
Ja, claro, eso esaten zulako.
You're back.
Hauxe descendu de la cava, tu.
Look out. Relax, girl.
You've got no right to do this!
Spare your horse!
Stop the cause! Please, no! This is persecution! Leave me alone!
Come on now, friend. Listen, is it okay if I rob you? Thanks for that, Mr. Kirk. Real fun.
I'm an innocent man!
Hey, quiet now.
Where shall I send the money? I ain't been paid yet.
Send it on my behalf to West Elizabeth Cooperative Bank in Blackwater. Pay down my loans. Might make them happy to see I've got a boss.
So I've got a couple of other leads I could use your help with if you're interested. I'm usually at the saloon in Blackwater.
I need money pretty bad, so I'll come find you. There, girl. Come on.
Bueno, lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero du gustokoa izan zaizuela, eta horrengoan gehiago,